We're looking at a 2012 Chevy Traverse. Customer came in, said the vehicle wouldn't move, was making some real weird noises. They had it towed in. Once we got it in and started looking around, we noticed that there was a big chunk of the transfer case missing. As you can see by the picture here, the side of the transfer case blew out. That's kind of an unusual thing to have happen, but informed the customer what the issue was, found him a new one. We were able to get that installed for him. Took the vehicle for a drive, make sure everything was good to go. So if you run into a situation where all of a sudden your vehicle won't move or makes a real crazy noise and then it won't move, please feel free to give us a call. We do offer free inspections. We'd be happy to take a look at the vehicle and let you know what it's going to take to get it back on the road. Thanks for watching the video. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.